Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and the Arkham City edition so installers match. This prevents conflicts. Next, check Installed. NET versions using Control Panel or .NET Info so you know what's missing. Once done, backup game saves and create a system restore point. This protects progress if something breaks. Now download the required NET redistributables for the missing versions, but do not install yet. Prepare administrative credentials and close Steam or the game client. You should run the selected NET redistributable as administrator and follow prompts. Choose Repair when offered because repaired files often fix missing dependencies. Then enable required NET features via turn Windows features on or off and reboot to load assemblies. After that, make sure Arkham City's executable runs in Windows compatibility mode for your OS and add it to DEP exceptions if needed. Also update Visual C++ runtimes and GPU drivers so you now launch Arkham City and test with a new save to isolate save corruption, observe menus and gameplay for NET errors. If the game still fails, open Event Viewer and filter for NET runtime exceptions to pinpoint missing assemblies and error codes. Once identified, reinstall the specific NET version or run a clean boot to rule out third-party conflicts. If nothing helps, uninstall and reinstall the game client. Finally, restore your save and remove the restore point only after successful verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.